how to share your Google Calendar with other people. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, you need to go to your calendar website. That's the calendar.google.com, and after coming to here, you can see there are my calendars, and you just have to select which one you want to share. I'm just going to share my personal one, so you'll just click on the three dot beside my personal calendar and click on the settings and sharing option. And if I come down to this, it says shared with Ricky Vale, that's me. And I can just simply click on add people and groups, and you can just add people from here. And like this barakatechnology2@gmail.com, I can just share my calendar with him and click on send. After clicking it, I can click on send, and he will get a notification, and if he accepts it, he can access my calendar from there. So that's it for this video. So I can also share my calendars by simply copying my calendar link from here and just paste it wherever I want to share it. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.